I've been thinking about you day and night. Ever since I saw you with your deep blue eyes, there was something that I just couldn't deny. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Asia, and I'm back with another hair review. So, dolls, in case you haven't noticed, I have a new setup. I redid my office. If you haven't checked out that video, make sure you go ahead and check it out. I decided to film in here to force myself to edit that video, so it should have launched before this video does. If you guys haven't noticed, I have been doing different type of content on my channel because I am broadening my horizons. You know, I'm not going to just be doing wig reviews. I'm so much more than wig reviews. I have been blessed with many talents and I just haven't been sharing them with you. So I've decided that I am going to share my talents and my passions with you guys. And I hope you guys come along with me for the ride. I think you guys will enjoy it. But back to the subject at hand, okay? Today's video is from a new vendor, OQHAIR. This is my first time working with this vendor, so hopefully we'll like the unit. So the unit did come with some lashes and a wig band. I love when they send the wig bands. I'm happy to see that they're starting to send the wig bands now because they're very much necessary. Okay, and let's not forget the unit. So this is the unit we're going to be reviewing today. It is a short curly bob. As you guys can see, this is one of those pre-cut, pre-plucked units. So hopefully going to be very beginner friendly. Hopefully this lace blends so we could throw it on and get on about our business. So let me show you the cap construction really quickly. This cap doesn't have any combs. So if you are one of those people who absolutely hate the combs, then this is the unit for you. This is a closure unit. So you're going to get about 6 inches of parting space along the front, and you're going to have about 4 to 4.5 inches of parting space to the back. So that will offer you the flexibility to part your hair on the left or right, if you're a left or right side part type of girl, as well as, of course, the ability to part it in the middle, which typically most units come parted in the middle already. Now, this is a curly unit. Oh, these curls look luscious. I am not gonna, oh, they look kind of, I was gonna wash it. But it's like I just caught a glimpse of it and I'm like, wait, I don't know. Do I want to wash this? Okay, I really should wash it. Dilemma. Let me think about it. You know what? Yellow. I'm not going to wash this hair. These curls is looking too juicy. I'm ready to put this on now. However, you should wash your wig, okay? If you don't wash it immediately out the package, I do recommend you washing your wig, especially curly wigs. They really work best with a co-wash. You know, co-washing your curly wigs, even if you don't want to use shampoo, I think that is literally a mandatory step, and it's so mandatory that I'm about to skip it. Okay, let's go. They said it's a throw it and go unit. We about to test this out. So now let me go ahead and try this wig on and see how it fits. It doesn't have any combs. I like combs personally, but I know a lot of you guys don't. Oh, this is definitely big head friendly. It's a little loose on me. I think I might have to glue it down. Oh, wait, it comes with an elastic band. I didn't even notice the elastic band. Let me go ahead and put that elastic band on. Okay, so one thing I do like is that it has the piano key elastic band, which means you have the options of adjusting this not only from right here, but from here. It has different slots, so it allows you the ability to pick which slot you want to place the elastic band, just so you could get the optimal fit and comfort. Okay, I put it on the top slot and I'm gonna go ahead and adjust this part as well, just to make sure that it's really nice and snug on my forehead. And while I'm at it, I'm gonna go ahead and add some of my concealer powder to the lace. You can add foundation. I like to use concealer powder. I've never actually tried my foundation, but I reckon it would work the same. Let's see if the concealer helped it blend a little bit more on my skin. Okay, that is helping it blend a lot better. I don't have any makeup on my forehead, so I need to add some makeup to my forehead. Let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so that does look a lot better. I'm going to go ahead and tie this down with the elastic band just to get it to melt even further. I do appreciate the way this unit was pre-plucked. I don't feel the need to go in and pluck it anymore. Not sure if I want to rock with a middle part. This is why I should have washed this unit. Let me go ahead and tie this down real quick.
Okay, while I let this sit, let me go ahead and do something with these curls. One thing I will say is that this hair feels very soft. I do very much like how this hair feels to touch. So far, so good. So while I wait for this to melt, I'm going to go ahead and trim this unit. So to do that, I'm going to section this off into 2 ponytails. Okay, now that it's in 2 ponytails, I'm going to just take my scissors and trim the unit so that it's straight across. So now, as you guys can see, I didn't really trim this unit for length purposes because I didn't really cut much off. I just trimmed it to make it easier for the curls to be defined on the ends. Now that they're all a lot more even, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to wet it down so that I can add some product. You know what's weird? This looked like a 4-inch lace, but look how deep this part in it. Is this the cap that looks like this? Maybe I must have been mistaken because this part is going very deep down the middle. So I'll get the real specs and I'll put it across the screen for you. I'm going to put some of this mousse to the unit, making sure that it's all saturated. This hair is very pretty and it's so soft. Oh my gosh, it feels heavenly in my hand. Now I'm just gonna take my finger and twirl some of the ends just to make sure that the ends have some definition, even though they already kind of do, especially on the bottom. It's mainly the top that needs this more than anything. And you just want to continue doing this throughout the hair. This might take about 5 minutes of your time. Again, this is not necessary, but it's going to give your curls a lot more definition. One thing I forgot to show you guys. So after you've wet your hair, or say if you've washed your hair, what you want to do is take a Deadman brush and just comb through the hair. And the more you comb through the hair, the more you're going to notice that the hair is going to just start to curl on its own. Of course, do this after you add mousse, or if you want to do it with conditioner, you could do it with conditioner. So you can see this already got coily on its own and I didn't even twist it. So you don't necessarily always have to go through twisting it, but I do like to take a couple of pieces and twist it just to help to give that different definition. And I'm going to do the same on this side as well. Now I'm going to just take some of my wax stick and press down these roots. Add some concealer to the parting space. All right, I'm gonna wait about 10 or 15 minutes for this to dry and I'll be right back. Okay, the hair is dry now. Okay, dolls, so this is the final look. I really like how the lace blend. I was a little concerned because I'm not used to keeping this much lace on my units. I noticed that the pre-cut units tend to have a lot more lace than I typically have. However, I know for beginners that cutting lace may be really intimidated, so it's really a good feature. However, if you're not afraid to cut your lace, I would suggest cutting the lace down a little bit more. The less lace you have on your unit, the less lace you have to worry about camouflaging. That's just my take on it. But in any event, this hair is beautiful. I know I really would have loved this in a side part. I don't know why I didn't do a side part. I was just trying a middle part, you know, just trying to not make everything a side part, but y'all know the side part really eats for me. But I still like it, and I don't have any baby hair, and I tend to like to have baby hair when I do my curly units, and it looks good without any baby hair and in the middle part. The curls are beautiful. The hair is soft. It's luscious. I can't wait to play with it. Change it into a side part, add a little side swoop, you know, do the little whoop to doop. Y'all take this unit, you make it your own. If you haven't already picked up a unit for the spring or summer, I think this one may be for you. I'm not really sure how it's priced, but hopefully it's priced accordingly. As always, guys, if I do have a coupon code, I'm gonna put it across the screen. It's also gonna be in the description box down below. But before we get out of here, y'all know I'm gonna need y'all help naming this unit. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of the Faithful fam, hit that subscribe button. I got so much exciting content coming. You want to make sure you don't miss out. And if you found it helpful, go ahead and check out this video. You might find it useful as well. As always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.